On June 1st, 2024, Officer Derek Nails observed an unregistered blue dirt bike traveling at high speeds. The dirt bike also ignored commands to stop, but unknown to the cops, the biker had his AirPods in the whole time.
Get up on him. Get up on him. Get off the bike. Get off the bike. Wait. Get out on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Hold on.
Get on the ground.
I'm on the ground. No.
Turn up.
What's your
Get on the ground, motherfucker.
What the fuck?
Put your hands behind your back.
I have headphones and I can't hear you.
Put your hands behind your back.
I will. Hey, I'm compliant. Can you take my helmet off?
You're under arrest.
Why?
Fleeing and eluding.
I didn't hear you. Hey! I stopped. I couldn't hear you. Why'd you have this? Can you put my helmet on the ground? Sir. Hey, can you turn off my gas before it catches on fire? Out. Listen, I'm so compliant with you. I can't hear you.
How's it come out?
Yeah, I got AirPods in. Hey, I couldn't hear you guys. I don't run. You're running.
Seriously,
man. You
you're running.
3 cars. I didn't hear you. I have headphones in.
This car.
I heard you when you came behind me and you went boop boop, and I turned around, right?
It's on video.
I couldn't hear you. I have no.
The roads are callous for that.
Can you turn that gas off before it,
Have a seat. What's your light, bro?
Guys, really?
Yeah, really.
I didn't do anything.
Hold on.
I didn't do anything.
Sit down.
I'm so compliant.
Now you are. Sit in the car.
Dude, I turned around and I saw you. That's the first time. Did I turn?
Why didn't you stop?
I did stop.
No, you didn't.
What are you talking about?
Hey, pull up right there, dude.
Next rotation too?
Yeah, send a rotation. Nice, shoot, thing's heavy. You got his ID and everything? Running. Yeah, it's a Yamaha YZ, I think.
He's close.
Do we have the serial number on this thing? Think that? Probably stolen.
It's gonna be like. I know how to ride it, but I don't want to get on it.
Disregard.
be on the frame in the front, right?
Or it should be like on the inside. Right here.
You got your phone, take a picture of it.
730.
It's okay.
$560. Copy of it when you have a chance. Looking dirt by you, man.
What you have? I'm not.
She ready? Right here. Juliet, Yankee, Alpha, Charlie, Echo, 1, 6, Charlie, 8, Juliet, Alpha, 0, 3, 3, 5, 0, 4. I always get into something, right? He ran from us. Tried a 1050.
Well, I said, look at the dirt bike road. I turned around, put the lights on, motherfucking shot about 3 cars.
So enter its information. Do well, we'll email a tow slip. We don't got to do it. I forgot.
So you lay it down?
Yeah, I laid it down for him.
We try to do it by the oceanfront park.
Let me ask you, was he riding stupid?
Yeah, he costs about 3 cars.
Yeah, and
No. I'm asking. The other day I saw one standing on the backside doing the wheelie.
Oh, really?
And I was like, I'm not going to be that point officer.
he got blocked because the traffic stopped.
Yeah, because I had on my lights and everything. I guess they thought I was going around them. I pulled the irons out and he jumped.
Boop.
It's nice having 2 people.
I knew that was perfect. Perfect. Like you never get them.
He had valid ID and everything.
Deb, could you hang with the bike here while they tow it? And we're going to take him to the station and start processing.
I guess I need to do the toast.
No, I'm going to email it. Just tell him I'll email the tow slip. Just get the driver's name. We got the VIN number to it. So that's all we need.
Put it in the police department.
Huh?
Go pick up our police department.
No.
Nah, take it to the impound.
He needs to pay an impound.
Yeah, definitely.
Can you make sure my airpods weren't on the ground?
Let me look.
If you leave your gas over some flood.
Leaning on the bush.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be on the bush.
What were you looking for, Mike?
He said he had AirPods.
One is in his helmet. I don't know what I'm on.
You don't understand?
I understand.
Okay, so you're gonna get 3 charges, all right? I'm gonna let you understand. What's that?
I couldn't even hear you in my AirPods. And then
So when is it legal to ride a dirt bike weaving in and out of traffic down A1A?
it's not. But I
It's
was.
not.
But he
When the
stopped.
sirens and lights come on, why aren't you stopping? Why are you going, crossing the double line, crossing traffic?
I couldn't hear you.
You couldn't hear us, lights and sirens.
I had earpods.
So
There's
okay, so that's my fault.
I'm not. No. I'm not trying to. I'm just trying to. Like.
Okay, so you made some bad decisions. What you did,
Yeah, but
a really bad decision.
There goes another one.
I'm not a stunt driver. I just drive for fun. There's only one in there.
I don't see that.
Should be reaching out.
All right, what are we looking for?
An earpod,
Is it one of the bigger ones or?
a white earbud. Yeah, there's some glasses. This is your glasses? No, that's my glasses. No, that's your glasses. That's your glasses, right? Yeah. That's yours?
Yes, sir.
All right, we got your glasses. Yeah, give me a minute, all right? Dude, what are you thinking? You can't cruise. You got to be off road with those bikes. You know that.
Listen,
Those are dirt bikes. They're dirt, not the street.
You never see me again.
Why are you riding down A1A on a dirt bike?
I just got it rebuilt, and I wanted to make sure.
Dude, seriously.
I swear to God.
There ain't no trails around here to ride. Seriously.
I travel for work, and I'm home.
Okay, you need to buy a truck. Load your dirt bike up, then you go ride in the woods like I did when I was your age.
I have a truck.
Not down. Okay, put it in a truck and go ride. You don't ride down A1A. Seriously? I don't know what to tell him.
Listen.
He can figure it out.
Sergeant, his wallet in there?
Yeah, I got his wallet right here and sunglasses.
You're going right around the corner.
We're gonna take you out.
You're right around the corner.
Move up. Check his cuffs real quick. He's seeing his cuffs.
You're just riding down.
Just riding down the street, but I'm gonna check, see how tight they are. Hold on, step out for a minute.
Sorry, man. I really couldn't hear you guys.
Okay,
Hey, well,
first
that's-
off, you don't need to have two in both ears. Okay, if you're going to ride with an earbud, you ride with one. Because that's a ticket in itself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't. I was just going for a cruise.
How old are you, son? How old are you, son?
I'm 22.
22. Old enough to know better, right? You stay with your parents?
Sure.
Your parents know you running around on a dirt bike on the street? You know how dangerous that
They
is?
don't like me to.
Exactly. Exactly. Unless you ride at home.
Another runner. That was so tight.
Okay, sit tight for me,
I
right?
just see if my air.
I'm looking for them. I don't see your AirPods.
Can I take a walk? I'm not gonna.
Yeah, show me. Just show me. Show me where your earbuds are. Don't run in traffic.
No. Try it on. Where's it again? That's right here. Where the grass is left up there. You look on the way out. Right here. Look for it.
When you get out, use locate. See if you can find them. I know you can do them with your phone.
Yeah, but
They probably fell in the bushes
I
somewhere.
saw them on the ground.
We'll look. We'll keep looking.
I'm supposed to be going to Korea in a week for work.
Then go to Korea. What's stopping you?
If you're gonna put me in, I can't.
You're going to jail, but you can bond out. It's traffic charges.
I work on life-saving equipment. I can't have that on my.
Dude,
There's like no way though.
right now let's deal with one thing at a time. I will explain it all to you.
This is shocking to me. I mean,
it should be. Have you ever been arrested before?
no. Like this is.
We'll talk all about it. We'll give you what it.
Sorry,
You've never
man.
been in any trouble before.
Not really.
Nah. Scoot over for me. This thing's on jacked up. Pull this up.
Well, I'm trying to.
Here, try to sit back up, all right?
Yeah, these really
Turn
aren't
around.
comfortable.
No, they're not comfortable. This thing's all freaking. Here. Like that. There you go.
Like, I respect you guys. But,
All right, hang tight.
sorry.
Right there, all right?
I'm not trying to be any difficult.
You were being difficult. Now we got a lot of paperwork for nothing. You could have just stopped. But hey, I get your. I don't disagree, but
And once I
Again-
turned around, I saw you. Then I stopped.
we'll talk about it in the office, all right? I'll see what we can work with you. But right now, we got to go
Sorry,
do
but-
paperwork. We'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on.
Are you? Did you talk about his ass?
Oh, of course.
Because
No,
If
he's
not-
resisting everything. He's getting it.
if not,
No, he's done. He's done.
I don't think we're gonna find those. But they're probably like this, right?
He should have figured it out. He can come back and look. I don't know where they're at. Put your keys. Yeah. You can't have your hearing obstructed. For that very reason.
Makes sense.
have the 1015, 51, 1050. The mileage is 804.
Do you often ride on the road like that?
No, I just got it rebuilt, so I wanted to make sure it's all good so I can take it back.
Where do you stay at, man?
Huh?
Where do you stay? Where do you live?
You know, 23rd and
In Boynton.
yeah, what's it?
I'll be standing by.
It's 23rd.
Wait, no, no.
I-95.
How you get all the way over here on A18, dude? If you're just trying it. You're just trying to see if it runs. Why aren't you in your neighborhood? I know.
I like.
Look, dude, just we all do dumb shit when we're kids, all right? I was your age too at one time. I did dumb shit. I'm not saying you are. You just made a bad choice, especially on a Saturday.
Only day off. Another dirt bike.
500 to 560.
Right.
Do you have one earbud?
I'll check around there maybe.
I've located one. For any minute?
804.
Face the wire here, dude, for a minute.
Sorry, you're not working.
Really? Because of the holding cell.
Let's see if I can get you off the key ring. Wow.
You see, I'm not trying to ride out for long. Flip-flops. I'm sorry, man.
I'm sure it'll never happen again.
Fuck no.
Mm-hmm. Wait in here, okay. Let's go in here. What we gotta do now, we're gonna put you in a holding cell. We're gonna take your cuffs off, we're gonna pat you down really good, we'll put you in a holding cell, we're gonna do our paperwork, and then we're gonna take you and book you and process you, okay? Really? Unfortunately, yes.
Well, I'll take one hand up over, put your hand fall, right? We'll take our ball first. Put it in the wall.
There's like no way. I won't even ride the bike home. I'll walk home, get my truck, and pick it up.
Yeah, please pick it up with your truck.
Yeah, that's why you can't have some poke stick instead.
Right?
I think I've done some poke stick instead.
Nah.
I've only had my wallet and stuff. Oh, you're good.
Yeah, I never had to do this.
Very good. Please do it.
Kick your slides off, man. See the bottoms of your feet. Take your gloves off. You got a shirt under your jacket?
No, sir.
No.
was only going out for a quick ride. I wasn't
Planning on extending. You got your hair, you got a band in your hair?
Put it here. Just put it here.
Oh, you remember?
Yeah, we can't let you have it right now. Okay, do me a favor. Just sit down and relax for a few minutes. We got some paperwork to do. We'll explain everything to you, okay? The bathroom's right there.
I didn't. This is crazy. There's no way.
Antonio Viteri was charged with fleeing and eluding a law enforcement officer, resisting officer with violence, and operating a motor vehicle without registration.